Magawalan Melanin and Sawadee Krap. I am a long way from home. Even if I say that my home is in Thailand, I'm also a long way from that. I'm in a town called Hang Chat, which is several miles to the east of where I've been living in Thailand. And I've been told there's a knife smith, a knife maker here in town. And I'm going to see if I can visit his shop and look at his wares. So if you're interested in coming along with an adventure on me, with me on an adventure I should say, well, hold on, strap yourself down, and we're going to see go have some fun. I've stopped in this one place and I hear some grinding, hammer strokes. So let's see if we can sneak a little closer and find out what the heck is going on over there. And I should remark on the side here you've got papaya and bananas growing galore. It's just a regular thing. Everyone has papayas and bananas. They grow pretty fast here. Yeah, it definitely looks industrial inside there, so I'm going to do a little inspection here. Hopefully it's a good place. Yeah, I think this is what we're looking for. Looks like he's making blanks for handles and video done my cup. Yeah, he's doing some grinding back here. Got a little workshop. I can smell the ground up sawdust here. And of course we're going at it hammer and tongs. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Holy crap. By the way, any of my rangers, what it got? Any of my rangers want to come out and see this in person, drop me a line, let me know when you're around. I'll take you out here. It's just amazing. And we've got a big old tempering tank and everything. The fan there is not too much to keep it from dying. It's not going to keep it. I can see where it's got a clear or anything. It's like a fire. I'm at the fan. Oh, crap. Alright, trucking crop. Trucky crop. Sawadi krap, kun meat, kun tam meat?
Meat.
Kun tam dab?
Dab.
Dab. You said dab over here, huh?
Dab.
Okay, ready. Chu Douglas krap. Kunอะไร?
Boontan.
Boontan. Kun Boontan?
Boontan.
Sawadi krap. Pleased to meet you. I'm interested in the meat, the knives.
Right. Can do.
Are they marked for prices? That up?
2,200 baht.
Ooh, boy, that's strong and heavy. Okay, look through these. You have some over here that are a little more traditional.
Ah.
Are those tribal knives? Somebody else's, just these for sale? Okay.
But that cannot clean.
Oh, okay. You have blades here.
Darb.
Are they dab or katana?
Katana.
Katana?
Darb.
Okay, dab.
And we have samurai katana. Wakizashi. from Japan.
Wakizashi. These are wakizashi or dab?
No, darb.
Dab. Okay.
Darb.
Okay. Well, I'm interested in looking at the knives and seeing what they're all marked for prices. Oh, there's smaller ones here too.
This small one.
Yeah, great. Okay. Oh, oh, hello there. That's a samurai cat.
Maluma.
All right, guys. This is a strong, heavy knife. It's got to be the back edge. Oh, look out! It's dangerous, huh? All right, the strong, heavy enough. The back edge seems to be like a 1/4 inch thick. You know, to a centimeter, half a centimeter. Very heavy and strong and thick.
By hand.
By hand. Over there, right now.
Yeah.
Kilogram.
This one.
Yeah. Yes, gosh.
The steel K900.
Oh,
Border
right.
Germany.
The steel.
Border steel.
I just wonder how heavy. Heavy? 1 kilogram?
All this. Border.
Oh, okay. That's what your steel uses
Yeah,
for
this
it.
steel border.
Wow, fantastic.
K990.
Cool, totally cool. So beautiful. So this one is going to be about
This supply 2,000.
or 2,000 bucks
Yes,
for
yes.
this one. So
Yes.
roughly 60.
8 inch. 8. But sometimes 9 in 2,200 baht.
Oh, you have the slightly longer ones too.
Short
Okay.
and long.
Okay, and this is a traditional Thai
No same
scabbard
price.
here.
This teak wood.
Teak wood?
Teak wood.
Oh, it'll last as long as a knife will. Wow. So these more lek ones, they are ladies' knives, huh? So these smaller ones, this is a special kind of wood here. Let's get a good focus on this. It's a very handy little.
This Thai style. This.
So this he's
Same
telling me
price.
this one and this one
Yeah.
would go for 1,500.
This strong wood.
Strong wood.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sure there's one.
Very strong wood.
These are going for 1,500 baht. Oh, this is more
This,
Thai style.
this from Buddha this from Thailand.
Okay, this is this traditional Thai style knife because it's got a round bolster here.
2,500 same.
Both these are 2,500. And you're saying there's a special black wood that you use for them
Black
in
wood.
the scabbard, and they're really gorgeous. Wow, I have to come back with some money.
Have this one Japan steel.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. This is
This
17,000.
Thai
Okay, but it's
17,000.
tempered Japanese style with hamon and so on. So this is on the level of a Japanese sword. I'm not sure if we can see that on the videotape. And I can barely see it with my eye, of course. But it's just a gorgeous knife in it.
This katana the steel.
Oh, okay. Oh, you use the same sort of steel as these, or a different kind of steel?
No, same this.
Okay, same steel, just the treatment is
This
different.
Japan steel.
Oh, you get the steel from Japan for this?
Yeah, I make katana.
Katana. Okay.
Make for Japan.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. Boom crop. Yeah. Oh, yeah, lovely. And I don't even have a darb yet, so I'm going to start shopping around. And yeah, we haven't looked at these swords yet. Yeah, these are gorgeous things.
Katana.
Oh, soga.
I
Soga.
make
These
it
are
to Japan.
Shirasaya.
Loose.
All right, thank you, Master Smith, for sharing your knives with me and your darb. Darb cup. You have two types. Are you selling these two?
Oh, this is
Darb.
this one piece. This 9,000 baht.
Okay. Okay. Right. Oh boy. Wow! I never seen that one. That is a
The back wood.
leaf blade, and it's got inscriptions all over it. And that's a traditional Thai sword. Wow, that's beautiful. Gosh. Okay. Fantastic. All right, I will be back. Glap ma. Sure, for sure.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you for sharing, Captain Crop. So you saw it, that big honking knife with a 1/4-inch back on it. It runs about $60. Shipping, tariffs, duties. I'm not sure. I've got to figure out how that works. But I'll tell you what. Standing offer for anybody who's watching this. If you come out to Thailand, let me know when and where you're coming over, and I'll bring you over to this place or any other adventures you want to come along on. This is a really amazing country, and I'm loving it. Okay, so over and out. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed it.